Hi, I'm Valianne Budishak, Acting Director of the University of Delaware Botanic Gardens. Welcome. Welcome to our virtual open garden. We were so disappointed that we could not welcome you personally because Mother Nature threw us a sizzler on August 4th. That event is our opportunity to introduce you to our summer interns, show you what they've been up to, and thank you personally for your support and your generosity.
Hello, my name is Lauren Kope and I'm the program coordinator here at the UD Botanic Gardens. We're excited to bring this video to you as a way to see some of the projects that our interns have been working on tirelessly this summer. We'd love to welcome you to the garden anytime throughout the year as the garden changes seasonally. So we hope you'll join us soon. Thank you so much for your support.
My name's Paige and I work at UDBG this summer, and one of our projects that we did was the Adirondack chairs, and we worked with Chanticleer's Dan Benarsic. He provided the wood and the guides for us to make them, and we did this in order to honor a landscape architecture student that passed away. We put them right in between Townsend and Warlow in order for students to relax and unwind.
Hi, my name is Jack Daly and this is the creamery bed. We started with removing all of the overgrown, out-of-place plants to stick with the summer theme of the creamery bed. We also removed the fennel, which was too tall and dangerous for the people at the creamery, and replaced it with a herb garden that will be filled with basil, paisley, and any other edible plantings.
Another one of our projects that we did this summer was the creamery sign, in which we walked around each week in order to get new plants so that we could update the sign and show what was in bloom and look the best so that customers could see around our gardens and could just enjoy.
My name is Mallory Page and this is the USDA plots. UDBG was awarded a USDA grant which allowed testing of new alternative ground covers that are more sustainable to use. Here you'll find a variety of native, non-native sun and shade ground covers. And to make this all possible, we tilled in the old research plots and then amended the area with compost. After that, we graded the area and measured out the plot with flags. After that, we sodded, mulched, and then planted the ground covers.
My name is Jack Ryan. I'm an environmental science major here at the University of Delaware, and this is our invasive species removal project. So basically we've been removing mostly English ivy and Japanese pachysandra. We've been removing them through a number of different ways, physically pulling them out of the ground, using chemical removal, which is just spraying chemicals on the plants so that they don't come back anymore. And in the fall, with combination with our USDA grant, we're going to start using suppression planting, which is basically when we take aggressive native ground covers and plant them so that they push out the invasive ones.
So another project we did this summer was this fence, which was over 40 years old, and it was looking very dilapidated as well as just falling over. And so we decided to replace it, and we used a different kind of wood, which is like a pressurized wood, so that it will last longer as well as look better for our gardens.
This is the Townsend beds. So we extended the front bed of Townsend to create a better flow altogether, and we planted annuals from our trials in the side beds. We will be replacing them with perennials in the fall, and they will be fall and spring themed for the students.
My name's Andrew Adams. I'm the horticulture manager here at UDBG, and I work with the interns all summer long. They've done all of that work by themselves, but in addition to those projects, they've done a lot of other things. So they've learned how to apply herbicides safely, the proper protection gear for everything, learned how to operate our equipment, our standard mowers, tractors, dump trailers, all of that. Typical garden practices are pruning, mulching, everything they'll need to walk out in the field. It's a great deal of things that can boil down in just a few short 11 weeks.